Okay, so time to put the mats back in, but we have a problem because, which way did this go? I think that way. So the problem being, I put the back seats down to get at the boot, and I now can't get them back into position. There seems to be a few levers, but there's no clicking sound. I can't unlock them from the locked position. So if you are out there and you know exactly how to get these seats back, please comment, please help. I've watched loads of videos on YouTube and not one shows me how to do it properly. So maybe that's a video I can do when I find out how to do it. I think these protected rubber mats are going to come in very handy, but maybe I'll get some custom ones when the engine is a little bit better. Dad managed to pull this seat here. So go on then, Dad, show us how you did it.
Very simple. Cross holders.
That one. Oh, wait there, hang on. It's not going to lock because of these mats. Lift it up a sec. Let's get those out of the way first. There you go. That's that side. Genius.
Easy.
Done. So I can now clean the inside of the back.